The State of US Capitalism, a Landscape Overview. Today, we delve into the intricate and multifaceted world of the US economy, a powerhouse that drives global markets. The US economy is dynamic and ever-changing. From New York to Silicon Valley, the economic landscape is diverse and vast. Economic indicators are sending mixed signals, making it challenging to predict the future. Strong consumer spending drives demand, but rising prices are starting to pinch wallets. The job market is robust, but rising interest rates are creating ripples.
Investors need to be strategic, balancing risk with potential rewards. Diversification and careful analysis are key. Look for companies with pricing power. These companies can withstand inflationary pressures. Sectors like energy and healthcare often weather economic storms. The tech sector continues to innovate, driving growth and creating new opportunities.
This is the American market, a roller coaster of opportunity and risk. Fortune favors the bold and the informed. Knowledge and timing are everything. Let's dive in. Join us as we explore the intricacies of the US economy. Riding the bull, the allure of American investment. It's a thrilling ride full of ups and downs, but the potential rewards are immense. Why do people invest in America? Simple, it's the land of opportunity. From New York to Silicon Valley, the US offers fertile ground for growth and innovation. The US has a history of innovation, a strong legal system, and a culture that encourages entrepreneurship. And let's not forget the deep pool of capital. With access to vast financial resources, businesses can scale quickly. These factors create an environment where businesses can thrive. From small startups to large corporations, the American market is a breeding ground for success. And when businesses thrive, investors reap the rewards. The potential for high returns attracts investors from all over the world.
Think about it. The S&P 500 has shown consistent growth over the decades, reflecting the strength and resilience of the American economy. Companies like Apple, Amazon, and Google started here in the USA. These tech giants began as small startups and grew into global powerhouses. The American landscape is dotted with success stories, from the skyscrapers of Manhattan to the sprawling campuses of Silicon Valley. These companies didn't just make money, they changed the world. Their innovations have transformed industries and improved lives globally. That's the power of American capitalism. It's a system that rewards innovation, hard work, and risk-taking.
Triumphs on Wall Street case studies in investment success. Let's talk winners. These are the stories of companies that have not only survived but thrived, turning initial investments into substantial returns. Companies that have hit it big. These are the game changers, the innovators, the ones who saw opportunities where others saw obstacles. Amazon is a perfect example. A company that started with a simple idea and transformed it into a global empire. They started as an online bookstore. Jeff Bezos had a vision to create an online marketplace that could sell everything. Now they're an e-commerce giant. From books to electronics, groceries to cloud computing, Amazon has expanded into nearly every market imaginable. Early investors have made a fortune. Those who believed in Bezos' vision from the start have seen their investments grow exponentially. How? They saw the potential of e-commerce. They understood that the internet would revolutionize the way we shop and do business. They believed in Amazon's vision. They trusted in the leadership and the innovative strategies that set Amazon apart from its competitors.
Another great example, Tesla, a company that dared to challenge the status quo and redefine the automotive industry. They revolutionized the electric car industry. Elon Musk's vision of sustainable energy and electric vehicles has changed the way we think about transportation. Investors who got in early are laughing all the way to the bank. The value of Tesla's stock has soared, rewarding those who had faith in the company's mission. These are just two examples of American success stories. Stories of innovation, determination, and the willingness to take risks. Companies that dared to dream big, and investors who had the foresight to back them. These are the partnerships that drive progress and create wealth. It's what makes the US market so compelling, a place where visionaries and investors come together to turn dreams into reality, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape of opportunity.
Cautionary tales when American investments falter. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Not every investment is a winner. Remember Blockbuster Video? They were the kings of movie rentals. Then came Netflix. Blockbuster failed to adapt. They went bankrupt in 2010, a classic case of disruption.
Another example, Kodak. They invented the digital camera, but they were too slow to embrace the technology. They filed for bankruptcy in 2012. These stories teach us a valuable lesson. Past performance is not indicative of future results. You gotta stay vigilant, adapt to change, and be prepared to cut your losses.
Section 5. Crystal ball gazing, expert opinions on US capitalism's future. So, what's next for US capitalism?
Well, the experts are divided. Some are bullish. They point to the resilience of the American economy and the power of innovation.
Others are more cautious. They worry about rising inequality, political polarization, and the national debt. It's a complex picture.
But here's the thing. No one knows for sure what the future holds, not even the experts. So, what's an investor to do? Don't panic, stay informed, and focus on what you can control. Section 6. Navigating the market maze. Tips for prudent investment. Here's the deal. Investing isn't gambling. It's about making calculated decisions. It's about understanding your risk tolerance and investing for the long term.
First things first, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes.
Next, do your research. Read financial news. Follow market trends. Understand the companies you're investing in. Knowledge is power.
And finally, remember, patience is a virtue. Don't panic sell when the market dips. Stay the course and ride out the volatility. Section 7, the inflation conundrum, a looming threat. Inflation is a silent thief. It erodes the value of your money over time, and right now, it's rearing its ugly head. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, is at a 40-year high. This means your dollar doesn't buy as much as it used to. What can you do? Invest in assets that outpace inflation. Think real estate, commodities, and value stocks. These assets tend to hold their value during inflationary periods. But remember, inflation is a fickle beast. It can be difficult to predict. Stay informed and adjust your portfolio accordingly.
Section 8. Geopolitical risks. A test for US markets. The world is an uncertain place. Geopolitical events can have a major impact on the markets. Think about the war in Ukraine. It sent shockwaves through the global economy. Then there's the ongoing trade war between the US and China. It's creating uncertainty for businesses and investors alike. These events are a reminder that investing is not without risk. It's important to stay informed about global events and their potential impact on the markets. Don't let fear dictate your decisions, but be aware of the risks.
Section 9. The rise of ESG. Reshaping the investment landscape. ESG investing is on the rise. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. It's about investing in companies that are socially responsible and environmentally sustainable. More and more investors are considering ESG factors when making investment decisions. Why? Because they want their investments to align with their values. They also recognize that companies with strong ESG practices are better positioned for long-term success. If you're looking to make a positive impact with your investments, ESG is worth considering.
Section 10. Charting your course. Final thoughts on U.S. investment. Investing in the U.S. market can be a wild ride, full of unexpected turns. There will be ups and downs. But remember the fundamentals. Invest for the long term. Diversify your portfolio. Do your research thoroughly. And most importantly, don't panic during market downturns. The American economy has faced challenges before, and it has always come out stronger. So buckle up, stay informed, and get ready to ride the wave of American capitalism. Remember, fortune favors the bold and the well-prepared.